Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the IKEA floor lamp, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the IKEA floor lamp, a lamp base, an assembly tool, a power cable, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. First, check all parts and place the Pilskott LED floor lamp on a stable surface. Insert the lamp frame into the base and secure it using the included assembly tool. Connect the lamp to the power supply and plug it into the wall socket. If using IKEA Home smart accessories, place the steering device close to the pairing symbol and hold the pairing button for more than 10 seconds to connect. The lamp is now ready for use. How to pair? To pair the Pilskott LED floor lamp with IKEA Home smart accessories, place the steering device close to the lamp's pairing symbol. Press and hold the pairing button for more than 10 seconds until the connection is completed. Once paired, the lamp can be controlled through the compatible IKEA Home Smart Remote or Hub for convenient lighting adjustments. Smart features? Connect the Pilskott LED floor lamp with IKEA Home smart accessories for wireless control. Pair compatible devices and adjust lighting settings easily using a remote or smart hub. The built-in LED provides adjustable brightness for different needs. Create comfortable illumination and customize your room lighting with flexible brightness control. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your IKEA floor lamp. See you in the next one.